Hello, welcome back. Today I will teach you how to make a simple meat pie recipe for your family or for gatherings. I made this for my sister on her birthday, and trust me, you won't believe how tasty it is, but simple to make. So without wasting time, let me take you through how I made it. Let's get started. I started by adding my corned beef into the pan and fry for about 5 minutes to loosen up. After 5 minutes, next I'll go in with diced carrots, sliced onions, and diced cooked potatoes. I'll also add rosemary and oregano for extra flavor. Stir for another 5 minutes and set aside to cool. Now, if you are new to my channel or you just stopped by, I warmly welcome you and will be delighted for you to join us by the end of this video by subscribing and turn on the notification button so that you will not miss out in any upload that I make. After the filling, next I will move on to make the dough. So in a flour, I'll add nutmeg and salt and mix everything together. Here I'm using all-purpose flour. You can also use soft flour or cake wheat flour for this recipe. And if you want to know how to make all-purpose flour at home, then I will leave it inside the description box below so that you will be able to make your own all-purpose flour at home. Next, I'll add margarine and incorporate it throughout the flour, and I will show you how it looks once I'm done.
Kitchen, the best continental food mistress.
After I'm done mixing, this is the texture I got, and this is exactly what I am looking for. So you should get the same texture. Next, I'll create a well in it and add chilled water a little at a time. Here, don't add too much water so that you will not overmix the dough with water. We don't want it to become soft and too stiff, okay? So I add the water a little at a time to mix, and when I'm adding the water, I make sure to add it on the dry part so that I will know where the dough is getting at. So do it the same way. If you incorporate the margarine into the flour and it's too much, ensure to add a little bit of flour. Or if it's less, then ensure to add a bit of margarine so that you get the same texture that I got. So I am still mixing and adding the chilled water a little at a time, as you can see me doing. So I will keep on mixing until I get the dough texture that I am looking for, and I will show you. And this is the texture of dough that I am looking for. It shouldn't be too stiff or soft. It should be fluffy, and divide them into 4 sections. After dividing them, next I will place one portion on the working board and start rolling it to be flat. Here, do not roll it to be thick. Roll to be flat and not extremely flat as well. So you keep on rolling until you get the desired thickness that you are looking for. After rolling the dough, next I will place a dish on top and cut the desired size that I am looking for. Here, ensure that you cut it according to how big you want your pie to become. So that is what exactly I'm doing here. So after cutting it, I will take out the excess and add on your filling. Now with your 2 hands, fold over the dough just like this and use your hands to press it, and also use the fork to seal it nicely. This will prevent it from opening up when baking. And after I'm done, just look at it. It is beautiful. So I will set aside and repeat the same process until I'm done folding all my pies. If you have watched this video until now, it means you are learning something new or you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you will not miss out in any upload that I make. Like and also share and leave your comment in the comment section. And if you have a recipe that you want me to teach you in this video, kindly leave it in the comment section so that I will take note of that. Thank you. After folding all my dough, next I will place the pieces in a paper lining tray. Here, if you do not have a paper lining, please just put them in the baking tray. That is okay. And preheat your oven on 170 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 7 minutes. And spread on milk and egg wash. After brushing on the egg, use the fork to create a design on top. This will also help heat to penetrate inside during baking process. And bake on 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or according to your oven settings. And 25 minutes later, here we are. Look at our pie. It is very beautiful and nice. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, this is beautiful and yummy. Thank you so much for staying with me until now. And I believe you enjoyed this recipe. If you did like it and enjoyed it, why don't you subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you will not miss out in any upload that I make? Please do well to try this recipe in your house and let me know in the comment section how it went. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. This is Mafeli. Thank you for subscribing, and always remember, at Mafeli, we believe in the old adage, your health is your wealth. So be mindful of what you eat. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe, fit and healthy. Nyame boa, yeke yabiako. Bye. Oh.